Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to Healthy Food Recipes. Our today's recipe is chicken tikka chunks macronis. In order to make this delicious and yummy recipe, we require some ingredients. So let's have a look at the ingredients. These are, first of all, look at these ingredients. Green bell pepper, capsicum 3 to 4 chopped, carrots 2 chopped, onion medium size chopped, peas 1 cup, black pepper half tablespoon, salt 1 tablespoon, soya sauce 1 tablespoon, and white synthetic vinegar 1 tablespoon. k&ns chicken tikka chunks half pack required, and cabbage 1 medium size, and the last one elbow macaroni 1 pack. Cut these chicken tikka chunks in half like this. Preheat a wok and add oil 1 tablespoon. Add chicken tikka chunks like these. Mix it well. Stir fry for few seconds. And bring it out. Now set the chicken tikka chunks set aside. Now add peas 1 cup. Mix it well. Stir fry for few minutes only. Now add carrots. Mix well. Now add soya sauce 1 tablespoon. Add synthetic vinegar 1 tablespoon. Adding salt as per your taste. Adding half tablespoon black pepper. Mix well. Add chopped cabbage. Mix it. Then add onion chopped and also green bell chopped, adding it. Mix it well, all these vegetables. Our veggies are ready. Now preheat a wok and add oil 1 tablespoon, tomatoes 2 chopped, salt 1 tablespoon. Mix well, adding red chili powder 1 tablespoon, tomato ketchup 2 tablespoon, half bell pepper optional as per your taste. Mix it well. Spicy sauce is ready. Now start assembling. Now adding macaroni boiled, cooked veggies like this, and chicken tikka chunks. Adding spicy sauce. Now our chicken tikka chunks macaroni is ready. Delicious. Looks so yummy. So if you people like this recipe, do subscribe my channel, give me thumbs up and hit the bell icon too. Thanks for your watching.